Hi, I'm Tom. I've had the procedure done about a year ago. I got tired of having my dentures had previous to that sliding around in my mouth, coming loose and cutting my gums. And so I saw advertisement from Dr. Shoemaker's and decided to check into it. And after I came into the office, I decided to have the procedure done. The procedure itself, approximately 2 months over time to get it all done. I had 4 implants in my lower gum and then a titanium bar tied into that, and then my denture just clipped down over the bar on the bottom. Contacted almost all the implant dentists that are in the area. After I came in for the first visit, I was completely sold on the procedure and Dr. Shoemaker. Well, I could eat without having to worry about my teeth coming loose. I can eat just about anything I want to eat. They're easy to take care of. And just day-to-day life has got a lot better because I can go out and do whatever I need to do and not worry about my teeth. Not really that uncomfortable. I expected a lot more pain than what I had. The courtesy of the staff was they answered every question that I had to ask about the implants. I got dentures because my other teeth were bad and I couldn't hardly eat. And then I found out that I couldn't hardly eat with the dentures. I think that would help anybody that has dentures that either don't fit properly or they want to slide around. Totally satisfied with the work that Dr. Shoemaker has done. That's the reason that I chose Dr. Shoemaker, because he does quality work.